here on ATV.
Let's start the new day with a big smile. And now, welcome to the Quarter 3 Physical Education Lesson 1. Here is the learning competency, explains the nature and background of the dance, especially the Philippine folk dance. This is Teacher Alex, your teacher of the day. And here are the learning tasks of the day. Number 1. Enumerates the famous Philippine folk dances. 2. Gives the importance of the Philippine folk dances. 3. Explains the nature and background of the Philippine folk dances. The last one. Executes the fundamental position of arms and feet. Last time we discussed about the Philippine traditional games include agawan base, tumbang preso, iko, luksong bakaw, luksong tinik, patintero, batuang bola, shato, and sipa. For more information, we are not just playing the traditional game, but because of the benefits for us in the different aspects of life. Here are the benefits of the Philippine traditional games. The traditional games help the social, emotional stability, mental learning, and physical abilities of Filipino children who play these games. Now let us know the famous Philippine folk dances in Luzon. We have Abaruray, Kalapati, Banga, Maglalatik, Pandango sa Ilaw, Karinyosa, Palo-Palo, Subli, Bindian, at Sayaw sa Bangko. The folk dances in Visayas, Inikling, Kuratsa, Maglalatik, Mazorka Boholana, Lapay Pantigil, Itik-Itik, Kuradang, Mananagat, Waray-Waray. And in Mindanao, Singkil, Kandingan, Kapa Malong-Malong, Manobo, Kinugsik-Kugsik, Dugso, and Pangalay. What is the importance of the Philippine folk dances? Primarily, it keeps a culture of people alive by sharing and teaching younger generation. Dance keeps the history of people alive as well. Dances are ways of a community celebrates a special event or important date in time. The Philippine folk dances are classified into 5 big groups. We have the Cordillera groups, Dance of Countryside, Muslim groups, ethnic groups, and Western influences. The background of the Philippine folk dances. The history of the Philippine folk dancing incorporates influences from immigrants and conquerors, while at the same time maintaining distinctly Filipino roots. The Philippine folk dancing is a true reflection of daily life in past centuries, while enchanting modern audiences at the same time. Let us learn the fundamental positions of arms and feet. There are 5 fundamental positions and basic positions in dance that are commonly termed as position of the arms and feet. Let's learn together the fundamental position of the arms and feet through this video. Here is the famous and the richest culture in the Philippines, particularly in Mindanao.